Now we have with us the Tecno Pova 6 Pro 5G, a device that is very attractive, especially for the back cover, where we will find a super reflective design, but the most attractive thing is that it has lights both in the camera module and next to this camera to decorate it. Its processor is the Dimensity 6080 from MediaTek. It also comes with Android 14 and 12 gigabytes of RAM, even with another 12 gigabytes of virtual RAM. The main camera is 108 megapixels and up front it has 32 megapixels. The screen is 6.78 inches AMOLED with 120 Hz in its refresh rate and its bezels are just 1.3 millimeters. It additionally offers in-display fingerprint reader and 256 gigabytes of storage. Its battery is a giant 6000 milliamps with 70-watt charging support. Tecno also assures that it has a very long lifespan, capable of reaching up to 6 years with a degradation of only 80%. Its price has not yet been disclosed, but it is expected to be launched very soon in several regions.